'Twas a dark and rainy night when Vulture showed his viewers this sight. He tried and tried with all his might, but he could not get that nut off. It's just too tight. Because he wore the tire out and it came off its bead, the Vulture cannot take flight. Quiet, you goonball. I've got some clips, some old clips I never got into videos. It's nothing special, but you might enjoy it. I can't seem to hold on to coins today. I thought that was gonna be better. There's something you don't see every day. What is this? Oh. Flashing mouth. What does that mean? Huh. I think it's got some kind of oh yeah, stick the whole thing in your mouth. Behind your teeth, it lights up. Huh. Oh, I turned it off. Huh. You know what? I'm gonna have to try that out. It's factory sealed, so. Scored another nice little air pump. It's got a pressure gauge on it and everything. That's a nice one there. Definitely a keeper. Ulta. And it's the same thing as yesterday. Just a little less smell. And, oh no, it's not the same thing. wait a second, there's a neon sign in there. And I do believe that's their open sign. And let's find out why it's in the garbage. This dumpster is just trashed. I mean, there's nothing salvageable in here. It's just, that's intentionally trashed. This sucks. But look at this. See, look at that. The E is just totally gone from that neon sign. Ouch! Actually, the outer perimeter neon tubes broke too. Stuck my hand right in it. But that's plastic. That's all plastic. But see this right here? That's nice #2 copper wire. And I'll chop all that off of there. I'm not gonna bore you with that. But yeah, it's just, I mean, I just touched this dumpster and it's just coated with just coated with makeup and cosmetics. And I mean, even the, how is this possible? The underside, I mean, the outside of the lids got it smeared all over. The inside of the lids have it smeared over. How do the inside of the lids, I mean, look at this. There's literally handprints. People with their hands have been smearing it on here. It's just, I gotta show this again. Beware, touch this dumpster and you shall be coated with makeup. So, I don't know. Probably a lot of the popular YouTube videos are having an effect on some of these businesses, it would appear. This kind of stuff's really not my game because there's just not a lot of money in it. Makes good videos though. I'm gonna chop all the wire out of here and stuff. I mean, if there was usable cosmetics in there, of course it'd be worth some money, but chances are where you live, it's just not gonna happen. I know there's like Ulta channels out there, Shelby's Lee, and like the Speedy Diver over there doing GameStop. But that is just, they're just fortunate because chances are where you live, it's just gonna be just a disgusting mess and there'll be absolutely nothing available for you, you know. I don't mean to be the bearer of bad news, but chances are it's just, this is gonna be like this, just a waste of time. But it's worth checking out, you know. I mean, go have a look. You never know. Let's see what we got. See, that's the problem with a lot of these strip malls and like Ultas and GameStops and stuff where you live, is a lot of times they'll be sharing their garbage dumpsters with food establishments, and that's just foul. It's just gross. And wow, look at that. What do you think? We'll take that. I see, if you were drawn to this video because of the Ulta and GameStop words in the titles and tags of my video, if you ever go out there and try to do this kind of stuff, if you see stuff like this, this is worth money, and it's worth good money. This is copper wire, and just this one wire right here, see, and well, that's a piece of plastic. But this lighting fixture is all aluminum, and if you just cut that wire off of there, that wire right there is worth, and cut the plug off too. That wire is worth about 50 cents. And you know, you might not think that's worth a lot of money, but it's real easy to store. You can just put it in a box or just lay it in the trunk of your car or whatever. I just build it up, and it's actually extremely valuable stuff. And so is this aluminum. And you just go to your local scrapyard and talk to them, see how they like to do stuff, and a lot of times they'll make you take out like these metal screws and stuff and separate that aluminum from everything else. But regardless, you know, you could just take that there, right there, and you don't, I mean, you could just sell that all as one piece and get what's called as aluminum breakage. And that would be worth maybe 30 cents or so today. And the prices are way down. And hopefully they'll be coming up this summer. And I actually just started a website called scrapvulture.com. If you want to have a look at that, where you can buy and sell scrap metal. That's a brand new site, so it's not real lively yet, but I mean, this, I know the popular YouTube dumpster dive videos are all about video games and makeup and commercial stuff, but just by itself it's not worth a whole lot. But you start adding that stuff up, and it's very valuable. There's just no way around that fact. So it's kind of cool that we got scrap metal out of the Ulta dumpster and a video game store dumpster. Of course, that could have came from one of the other stores too, I suppose. But either way, I wasn't really expecting to find scrap metal in those types of dumpsters, so we'll take it. Run fast! Run fast! You gotta go through the door, dummy. You gotta run fast. Chris, look this way. Chris, run fast, run fast. You're just a big boy. You get him fast. But I did go, and at the Petco dumpster, there was actually a delivery semi truck. And it's like it's probably about 3 in the morning on Sunday night, Monday morning. And I forgot this last night. I didn't realize what it was until I looked up that cage on eBay. And this is actually a divider for that cage, and I didn't realize what it was. So I made sure to get that, but there was a semi truck being unloaded at their back dock right next to that dumpster. So I didn't want to take the time and mess around. I just snatched that up when I had the opportunity. And one of these other stores at this giant retail complex was these 4th of July sale signs, and they're actually pretty nice, water resistant and stuff. They've been rained on already, but they're good stuff. Vince has a cherry stem stuck between his teeth. What are you doing, man? Vince, what you got stuck in your mouth, bud? Are you chewing on a toothpick? Yeah? What are you doing, Vince? Hi, Vince. Walking my dog. What do we have here? I do believe that is real turquoise. And it's possibly real silver. No, I don't think it's silver. It could be. Actually, no, I don't think it is real silver. No, it might be. That could just be something on top of the metal that's making it look like that right there. What is it? The squirrel? Dog and cat working together. Those first three were aluminum. Some window screen. Got raccoon action. He must be hungry. When you find them, don't lift it. I love the way they pick stuff up with their hands. It's so weird looking. On camera shot. Hopefully the GoPro can pick that up so you can hear it. It's pretty wild. Okay, and then go Put him outside now. Wild little bug. What is this? Now that's not your typical car accident. Thing caught on fire. Caterpillar. Hi, Pooch. You want to play some choo-choo? There it is. It's a choo-choo. That's how we play choo-choo, huh? That's the fun game called choo-choo, where you get to chew on my foot. I like chewing on his foot. It's lots of fun. Ouch. Or I like choo-choo. Playing choo-choo is one of my favorite things to do. I'm a choo-chooer. Ow! Now they know what I was talking about. That's how you play choo-choo. Or shoo-choo. Whatever it's called. That's how you do it. That's how you do it. What's wrong? Did you hurt your tooth? You hurt your tooth?